In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating and opening Photos app. Now tap on Photos or Collections at the top left corner. And when you decided from which section you wish to delete your photos, hold one of them. Finally, to pick multiple right away, use those icons at the top left corners. So click. Then you can keep some of those photos by tapping on the chosen ones and get rid of the rest by using bin icon at the bottom. Then hit got it and move to trash. If you are deleting your photos from collections section, not photos one, click on it, do exactly the same. This time though, tap on bin icon that's located at the top right corner. Then tap on move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!